So, hello students. Now the 16th April shift one is over, and many students felt, sir, this paper was slightly easier than the JEE mains, but ये paper ने जो timing के साथ mess up किया with the students, that was the reason they were not able to do bonus section. But the twist was bonus section was super easier in this paper. So before we move on to the analysis, I want to tell you many students have availed this coupon code BITSAT open. बहुत लोग अपने scores भी बता रहे हैं कि उनका फोडू क्लब की टेस्ट सीरीज में क्या स्कोर आया and what they got on the final day. So we are very happy to get a good response and the offer is still valid for today, guys. Please join the फोडू क्लब BITSAT टेस्ट सीरीज या क्रैश कोर्स जो भी आपको लगता है कि आपके लिए काम का है. We will help you out for the session 2. Now, coming to the analysis, Kushal, can you tell the students how was the overall vibe of the paper?
Yeah, comparing to yesterday's both of the shifts, students are reporting that this shift was comparatively a lot easier. From what data we are getting initially, we can draw that. Overall, if we talk about the difficulty of the paper, it was definitely below JEE mains. Paper was lengthy, so if you didn't know how to manage time properly, then you would probably mess up the paper. The questions were, again, it was a standard BITSAT ka paper, as we keep on saying here. The questions are very different from that of JEE. When we say कि यार JEE main के level से नीचे था, that does not mean कि JEE जैसे ही question थे, easy question थे. The kind of questions that BITSAT asks is very different. So those set of weird questions were there. But again, if you had prepared for BITSAT specifically in the past few days, you would easily be able to solve the questions. So Kunal sir, can you tell us the analysis in detail of each particular subject?
एक बड़ी weird चीज बच्चों ने बताई that mark for review तो we all know now it is missing from 130 questions, but bonus section में it was there. I'm not sure whether it is true or not, but students told us this thing. And coming to the detailed analysis of physics now, already Kushal told you it was scoring, but पिछली shifts में mechanics heavy paper was coming, but in this shift electromagnetism heavy paper was there. डेफिनेटली रोटेशनल मोशन के ज्यादा क्वेश्चंस थे, बट बाकी इलेक्ट्रोस्टैट्स, करंट, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, मैग्नेटिक इफेक्ट्स ऑफ करंट हैड वे टू मेनी क्वेश्चंस इन दिस शिफ्ट एंड डिलीटेड क्वेश्चंस. पिछले शिफ्ट में भी ट्रांजिस्टर का क्वेश्चन आया था, फिर से आ गया. Another question of Doppler effect is also asked. जिन्होंने नहीं पढ़ा, please spend just 15-20 minutes on that, बच्चों. It is a easy thing. Just remember the formula and the two ways to solve the question. कि सर इधर move कर रहा है तो क्या करूंगा, दूर जा रहा है तो क्या करूंगा. So now coming to the chemistry analysis. So direct questions were not there. Standard named reactions जो generally we expect, that was not asked. फिजिकल केमिस्ट्री वो डोमिनेटिंग, कैलकुलेशन हैवी हो गया पेपर, जिसके कारण बहुत ज्यादा. एंड हम देख रहे हैं ट्रेंड दैट केमिकल काइनेटिक्स इज बीइंग आस्क्ड इन ऑलमोस्ट एवरी शिफ्ट. अ लॉट ऑफ क्वेश्चंस आर बीइंग आस्क्ड फ्रॉम केमिकल काइनेटिक्स. आई डोंट नो दिस ईयर, but inorganic is virtually dead. Only 2 to 5 questions are reported from the inorganic chemistry. एंड जो डिलीटेड क्वेश्चंस हैं वो तो आ ही रहे हैं, चाहे आप ले लो पॉलीमर, चाहे आप ले लो सॉलिड स्टेट. इन चैप्टर से क्वेश्चन हमें कंसिस्टेंटली शिफ्ट्स में देखने को मिल रहे हैं. एंड कमिंग टू द मैथ्स, मैथ्स इज डेफिनेटली लेंदी. ऐसा नहीं है कि बच्चों को ये रियलाइज नहीं हो रहा है कि सर मैं हर क्वेश्चन को प्रॉपर मेथड से सॉल्व करूंगा. मेनी स्टूडेंट्स वर टेलिंग अस कि सर आई यूज्ड ऑप्शंस टू सॉल्व द क्वेश्चन एंड I was able to do this in at least 5 to 6 questions in this paper. So आप सोचना क्या यार, मैंने कुछ वैसा पार्ट मिस किया that could have saved maybe 5 to 7 minutes in the paper. Other than this, LPP is consistently being asked, statistics बहुत आ रहा है, but इस पेपर में हमें मैथमेटिकल रीजनिंग भी देखने को मिला, जो पिछले पेपर में ज्यादा रिपोर्ट नहीं हुआ था बच्चों. And definitely the time sink was there. Maths ate up a lot of time, जिस कारण बच्चे बोनस सेक्शन पे नहीं जा पाए. And in this paper the bonus section was super scoring. ये twist था in this specific shift. Now coming to English LR, Kushal, can you tell students in more detail about English LR?
Yeah, so English was pretty much very simple, very standard. जैसा कि you guys have been practicing the questions, वैसा ही आया था. जहाँ पर सबसे ज्यादा बच्चों को प्रॉब्लम होती है synonyms and antonyms. Students are reporting that almost no questions were asked from this particular topic. So yeah, overall the English was really simple and it was very scoring. Logical reasoning was again visual trap kind of a section, which was doable, but again, if you haven't practiced questions regularly तुम्हें problem होगी and you would have spent a lot of time here and scored less marks. This year we are seeing a trend that non-verbal reasoning is dominating more than verbal reasoning. So BITS has completely changed its pattern. मतलब पहले number series, blood relation, coding, decoding, all of these topics used to dominate a lot, but again now paper folding, paper cutting, image patterns, all of these kind of questions are dominating in the paper.
So एक unique problem बच्चों को जो face हुआ in this paper, that was the glitch was there. Many students reported कि sir I was not able to read the questions properly and there was no option of zoom in zoom out. It depends on the device you were using. बच्चे ये सारे factors हमारे control में नहीं है, इसे आपको अडेप्ट करना ही पड़ेगा इन द पेपर. वी कलेक्टेड अ लॉट ऑफ डेटा फ्रॉम यू अबाउट द 15th शिफ्ट्स एज वेल. पिछले दिन क्या हुआ, लेट मी शो यू दैट स्लाइड. हमने जब बिटसैट ओपन कंडक्ट किया था कुशल, हमने बच्चों को डेटा दिया था दैट approximately 300 plus scorers are 0.98%. So I thought let's show the data whatever we have received till now. कितना एवरेज स्कोर आ रहा है इन 15th April शिफ्ट 1, 300 प्लस स्कोरर्स की परसेंटेज क्या है ओनली फ्रॉम द डेटा वी हैव रिसीव्ड टिल नाउ. सो ऑलमोस्ट इट इज मैचिंग जब आप देखोगे, बट द वियर ट्रेंड इन 15th April शिफ्ट 2 इज देयर. 270 से 300 के बीच में देयर इज नो स्टूडेंट हु रिपोर्टेड दैट टू अस टिल नाउ. सो वी वांट कि बच्चों आप फॉर्म को फिल करो, हम इस डेटा को और रिफाइन करेंगे. जैसे ये डेटा 200 प्लस स्कोरर के लिए रिफाइन हो गया है, ऑलमोस्ट 16% पे हम लोग आ गए हैं. We want to refine this data. Please fill the form. Feedback we can get from you. The more data we will give back to you, as well as with the memory based questions, बच्चों.
Definitely, we are updating all of our mocks as well as whatever new mocks will be coming. They will be coming based on the data that you guys give us. So make sure to give us the proper data and take some of your time to fill the form. It is ultimately going to help you only. Yeah, and finally, reminding you again, today is the 3rd year anniversary of FODU Club. FODU Club was started exactly 3 years ago from this date. So you can use the code BITSAT open and prepare for second attempt and bounce back if you haven't scored very well in the first attempt.